Go deeper na Mkoma Masimba. Muri Zimbabwe. Kana ndichiti go deeper ndinomborevei. Kana ndichiti go deeper ndinongoreva kuti muupenyu hwatinorarama ngatingofungei mbijana. Haikona stereki mbijana. Nasi uno pa go deeper na Mkoma Masimba ndoda kumbodhipisa pfungwa na Mutumwa Mawere. Mutumwa Mawere. Ndida kubvunzawo iwe wakateerera, paunonzwa kuti Mutumwa Mawere unofungei muri Zimbabwe. Ndisati ndava kudhipisa pfungwa, each time ndangonzwa kuti Mutumwa Mawere ndaifunga Shabani Mine akaba mari, akadya neZANU-PF, akatiza, akaenda kuSouth Africa, akauraya nyika, akakanyana neve muZANU-PF. Ko iwewe uri kuteererawo paunonzwa kuti Mutumwa Mawere unofungei? Ko paunonzwa kuti Shabani Mashava Mine unofungei? Yakabrokeswa na Mawere, akadya mari, ndewe ZANU-PF. Muri Zimbabwe, I'm simply encouraging you to go deeper. I have been following Mutumwa Mawere for the last couple of months. I have learned a lot from Mutumwa Mawere. So today I've decided to do a go deeper on Mutumwa Mawere. I used to think the same way that you might be thinking. Muri Zimbabwe, you have to be very careful. Mutumwa Mawere taught me one thing. In whatever I do, I should have facts. You too, whatever you do, whatever you say, always have facts to support your words. I've learned that if you have facts, bring your facts on the table. I will also bring my facts. Let our facts fight. Murubanzwa muri Zimbabwe. Ndakadzidza zvese ndafollowa nchiteerera dzidziso na Mr. Mutumwa Mawere. Nasi uno ndida kumbodhipisawo pfungwa pana Mutumwa Mawere. Vazhinji, the first question you ask, I used to ask that question. Are you ZANU-PF? I've learned a lot from Mr. Mutumwa Mawere. Vakati ZANU-PF haasi munhu ba. That question kutuka. Ndikutaura newe iwewe Masimba. Ini ndine maziso, ndine nzeve, ndine muromo. Unditi are you ZANU-PF? Unomborevei. Ndiri Mutumwa Mawere, I am not ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF is a political party. Muri Zimbabwe. Nasi uno ndadecide kuita dedicate some of the people vakandidzidzisa kufunga. Iwo zve vakadzidzawo zvakawanda kwandiriwo. Nasi ndachuza Mutumwa Mawere, a great man, full of dzidziso, someone who's willing to even talk to you. All you have to do, you bring your facts. Muri Zimbabwe, chikomo chiremerera chavari kure, vari pedyo vanotamba nacho. Tine vanhu vakuru in terms of experience, makore avo, vari willing to engage isu vechidiki. I'm simply encouraging you too to go deeper. Please bring all your questions. Like the page ya Mutumwa D. Mawere. Sometimes I need my live videos pa Zimbabwe Today. Also follow him pa 1873 FM. He is based in South Africa. Vangani vedu vari South Africa. Do you know kuti South Africa imomo mune radio station yakavhurwa imomo nevapfana vechidiki maZimbabweans who are based in South Africa. Panodzidziswa, especially vada kudzidza university students. Please, I'm inviting you to like page ya Mutumwa Mawere and follow that, mean you learn a lot. In Zimbabwe, tine vanhu vari willing to share knowledge and also accept your facts. Right? Muri Zimbabwe, ndakanyara nenyaya yekungoshama muromo. after Mutunga Mawere explained the whole issue SMM with facts, nema facts, ndakanyara. From that moment akabva that muupenyu, in whatever I do I have to go deeper. Handichangu taura. Mure Zimbabwe. Ndangoti nasi ndangoti kuna Mr. Mawere. I've learned a lot from you, sir. Thank you so much and continue to do the same, especially with Dick. One thing about Mr. Mawere, he will never block you. He asked me, why Simba should you block someone? Because someone is sharing his opinion. So why block him? Why don't you detect? That's why pano pamkoma Masimba apa block munhu. Because anika block munhu chera kanditi urimbwa. I remember Mr. Mawere saying to me, Simba, urimbwa ere wewe. That no, akatisaka unoblockera munhu oti akuti urimbwa. Mure Zimbabwe, this is short. I'm just saying to you guys, ngatisangotaure zvatisingazive. Kana usina ruzivo unobvunza. So ndangoti nhasi ndikoti go deeper haina kutanga nhasi akatanga kudhara. I've also learned a lot from other people. Nhasi nadedicata Mr. Mawere. Thank you so much. And also you too, you can follow Mr. Mawere pa 1873 FM Mutumwa D Mawere or pa Zimbo Live pa Zimbabwe Today. Unumwane papo. That man is a teacher. That man is a father, is a brother. Especially with Dick. You are the ones who are saying you diaspora. I'm saving money. I want to buy a house. I have a house. Go and learn from Mr. Mawere. You say my house? Okay. Ownership does not exist. You only possess. I learned that from Mr. Mawere. How many of you understand my car? I own a car. You own a car? Okay. Ko iwe remote yacho iwe yako iwe. Ndiwanipa ma keys ndakai driver. How can you tell that nisimulizi motor iwe? You people, I've learned a lot. Tinongotaura tinoita zvinhu zvinenge basa rese tisingazivi. How many of you vanofamba chitanzi vangani vedu vanongofamba vachitaura about our current government right now? What do you know about the government? Who's more powerful, the government or you? Imagine if you were not there. Do you think the government was there? The government. Iwewe ndio ne power. You are the same person Aisa will remain pachigaro. So the power mako. I learned that from Mr. Mawere. I'm simply saying to you guys, sharing is learning. At this stage, I'll try to see if I can invite Mr. Mawere only for 2 or 3 minutes. I'll see if he's online right now. Mr. Mawere, if you're online now, if you're listening, please simply type Ed. Let's see if I can invite Mr. Mawere. Let's see, I'm trying to invite Mr. Mawere if he's free and is able now. Just for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I'm inviting Mr. Mawere. Well, I'm inviting Mr. Mawere. Yes, he's connecting. Good. Hello, Mr. Mawere.
Hello, Mkoma Masimba.
Unofara ere mdara?
Tinofara.
Yeah, nazi ndiri pawa. Welcome to Go Deeper. Puno kunofara. Nakoti welcome to Go Deeper na Mkoma Masimba.
Hey, Mkoma Masimba ari deep.
Yeah, mazoti kubo deep isa pfungwa. Saka nasi uno ndangodedicata Go Deeper yangu. I remember Mr. Mawere zvamunomboti teacher zviya. That I've got lots of friends. That very way dzidzaiwo. So Mr. Mawere, please feel free to introduce yourself.
Ndiri hama ya Mkoma Masimba.
Thank you.
Saga, I think knowledge brings people together.
Yep.
When you know better, you always act better.
Yes.
But there are many people who appear to have certificates of knowledge. But when you go deeper, you find there's no knowledge to support the papers.
Yep.
There are many people who pretend they know everything. When the universe is so big, even when you have social media, still people are not willing to learn.
Yep.
So you wonder why social media exists. if its purpose is to connect people,
yep,
and knowledge that is not shared is
yep,
actually not knowledge. So we share knowledge, and when we share knowledge, we are empowered
yep,
by the knowledge. You can't go to a teacher who wants to subtract what he gave you in terms of knowledge. Once you acquire knowledge, they call it the priceless gift of life. So if you have the gift of knowledge and you can share it, like what you are doing, you have already satisfied the basic requirement of life.
Yep.
Imagine
Thank you,
Jesus
Mr. Mawere.
was surrounded.
Yep, Mr. Mawere, just a quick one.
Yep.
I wanted to see if you are free tomorrow, Friday, same time like now. I would like to go deeper with you on my platform.
Okay.
Yes.
What time? What time from 11 to 12?
What time is it over there now?
The time here is 11:23 a.m.
11:23. So can we say 11 to 12, 1 hour? Here, go deeper, Mr. Mawere. I have lots of friends here. They'll be so much happy to have a dialogue with you.
That's fine, because you remember today there's another show at night where we are talking about government.
Yep, and can you please share the platform, Yacho? The platform, Yacho, Pachi.
Okay. Sorry, and people can like the page 1873 TV.
Yep.
Facebook page.
Yep. Okay, good people. Mr. Mawere is going to have a show tonight. The 1873 Facebook page. Also Zimbabwe Today. So their topic of today is government. And please don't forget to tune in tomorrow. Go deeper na Mkoma Masimba. I'm going to have 1 hour na Mr. Mawere. This same time at Tinizo. So please tomorrow, guys, if you have any questions, either you inbox me or get ready for tomorrow. I know Mr. Mawere is someone who is willing to answer all your questions. Mr. Mawere, as we prepare for tomorrow, pane mubvunzo wada kubvunza itibo dipisa pfungwa. Hanzi, imimi Mr. Mawere, makaba mari, mukatiza. Handisita daro, vanhu vanodaro Mr. Mawere. How do you answer them in short?
Kana waba pane abirwa.
Yes.
Newaba the victim.
Yes.
And imagine government being a victim.
Yes.
Or someone in government being a victim.
Yes.
And that will tell you the madness that is inherent in that argument. Because there's no mineral that has legs. And when you take a mineral out of the ground, it's not automatic. But some people believe that once you find the mineral and you extract it and process it, it becomes the property of government. So that's what you need to go deeper on the relationship between government and men. What is the relationship between government and
Dr. Amawere. Then Amawere, for tomorrow, please get ready again. Another burning question in Chawe Mangwana. They go to Mr. Mawere, Hanzi Maiji Ganim Sangano with ZANPF. Zino Makazopura never knew ZANPF. Vamatiza. Was going to say moto.
Mkoma Masimba, we are talking for you. Gano no munu. That munu must exist.
Yes.
I can't be married to nothing. Imagine one married to zero. What is it?
Nothing. That's impossible.
No, you can call it 10. But
okay, one in binary.
One times zero, Diani.
Is zero.
Yeah? And the 1 plus 0? 1 plus
1
0.
plus 0, it remains 1.
It doesn't change. 1 plus 6 zeros.
It remains 1. I think
Hello?
network, yeah, Mr. Mawere. Yep. Yes, Mr. Mawere. I think network, yeah, Mr. Mawere, to play up. So good people, don't forget to tune in tomorrow. Okay, Mr. Mawere, I think you're back. Yes, Mr. Mawere.
Yeah, no. I just said 1.
Mr. Mawere, are you there?
No, I was saying 1 plus, what is the answer?
1 plus what?
6 plus 0.
You know, remember 1. I change.
Yeah, so you can't be related to nothing.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Mawere wapindura mubvunzo wenobvunzwa nevazhinji kuti Mr. Mawere makadya neZANU-PF makabuda vapa example in digits. What imagine ukati 1 plus 0 inombe 1. 1 plus 6 plus 0 it always remain 1. Here Mr. Mawere is simply saying inini ndiri mutunga Mawere handinei ZANU-PF uye handisi ZANU-PF. So good people, don't forget tomorrow Friday same time let us go deeper na Mr. Mawere. So I'm inviting you guys to follow this session tomorrow. For those who are able to follow Mr. Mawere today, remember to follow him Pamtuma D Mawere 1873 FM or pa Zimbabwe Today. Oh, kana ukatipisa pfungwa unoita inbox yangu nokutumira ma details acho. Why toda kudaro mure Zimbabwe tasvika pa point ekuti we have this social media. What are we using it for? Tiri kudipisirana pfungwa tichidzidzisana. Mangwana ngatisangane pamukoma masimba tine go deeper nani na mutumwa Mawere. Mr. Mawere, I would like to say thank you so much and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. To dipisa pfungwa mangwana.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, once again, good people, we'll catch up tomorrow. Pamukoma masimba pacha dipiswa pfungwa na mutumwa Mawere. So please tune in. Tinge tina vanhu vakura vataimbotyka tikura. Taingoti akazwa kuti mutumwa Mawere taibva tavhunduka. Asi tapiwa mukana. Wekumbotipisana now. So one good people, ngaitite tune in Mangwana Friday. Please invite other people and also share the news. Mangwana tikudipisa pfungwa na Mr. Mawere. Thank you so much. Remember, go deeper na mkoma masimba. Aisiye kutukana kana kukuvengai kana kuvengana. Ndiye kungodipisa pfungwa. Topani chinangwa chacho. Kana ukadipisa pfungwa chete zvese zvinoita nyore. Thank you so much my brother Billy Progress Malume. I can see you there. Thank you so much, Musa, Nathan. Thank you. You too, Musa. You are intelligent, my brother. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, don't forget to tune in. I would like to say for now, thank you and goodbye. Love you all. Go deeper, Namkoma Masimba. Hey.